Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please like, subscribe and hit notification bell. And if you're a return subscriber, welcome. It's nice to have you back. So guys, the last time we did the sewing part of the corset dress, and today I'll be showing you guys how to place the eyelets. So here you can see each in between this pins, I spaced it out 1 inch in between it. So that's where I'll be placing my eyelets. I have about 7 to 8 eyelets, pinned area where I'll be placing my eyelets. And so guys, you can see the should I say the center back area, the closure there had already been stitched. I stitched it there so to secure it, so it's going to be placed this way inwards, and then this is how the back will look at the end of the day. So I'll also place it on the other side. The same amount of eyelets I place on this side is the same I'll place on the other side, so I can intertwine the rope. So here I will just use my eyelets, my heavy duty eyelet plier. I got this somewhere in the market. I really can't remember the price, but it's nice. It's heavy duty. So guys, I think if you want to do this job, you have to get your heavy duty pliers. So guys, here I will just show you guys. Now I will just cut out from this old calendar the hard part, and I will use it to demonstrate. So let's do the cutting, guys. Here, this is what it looks like. You can see I just cut out the piece. So let's put the rest aside. Here is my plier, guys. You can see there's a pin that is holding the plier. So with that pin there, I won't be able to use my plier. So I have to take off the pin in order to be able to use my plier. It's like the pin is just to secure it, like keep it locked. This is the way you know your plier is new. It comes with that pin being secured. So you can see, if I can zoom this in for you guys to see the pin there. So that's what I have to take off, guys. So for me to take this off, you just press this down and then the pin automatically comes out easily. So that's how to unlock your plier. And now let's get this started on how to use the plier. So here the upper part is where you used to cut in to the surface area of where you want to create your hole. So here I'll do this again, guys. You just from the upper part that was secured, you just press it down and you press it again. So I'll do this again and again and again, guys, so you can see what it looks like. So automatically we have our hole there, and this is our eyelets. I think in part 1, guys, I showed you guys how the eyelets come. They come in like bunch, and the plier comes with some form of a little bit of the eyelets and all. So here I'll just place my eyelets, and I will show you guys how to secure it. So you use the you can see the upper part and the lower part. Let me just zoom this in. You can see the upper part and the lower part of the plier. The longer part is pointing out. Oops. The longer part, let me do this again, guys. The longer part of the plier is pointing out, and there's a part that is not so sharp. Both parts are not so sharp, but one part is a bit longer than the other. So that will be at the bottom, and the other part will be, the longer part will be at the top. Then you secure it down. So this is what it looks like at the back. So you have to make sure this is secured properly. So that's, you can see the other side is quite smooth. And I'll do this again, guys, so you guys can see it. And if you are yet to subscribe, please do subscribe to our channel. Help us to achieve our goal of 1000 subscribers. So this brings us to the end of this tutorial. See you soon, guys. Bye bye.